Hi scholars, we're going to go through a quick example here, so it shouldn't take too long. Chloe walks 29.3 feet in 9.82 seconds. If she walks at the same rate, so rate is, right, her rate in this case is velocity, or speed, feet per second, right? Approximately how long will she walk in 2 minutes, right? So the question is asking us for a distance. How long, right? How many feet? That's our unknown, our x. Will she walk in 2 minutes? And this is our time, right? And so clearly, or when we see this word rate or directly proportional, these kinds of things, we can set up a proportion, right? So we're going to have fraction. One fraction is going to equal another fraction. And we can start filling this in, right? Let's do our numerators to represent feet. And let's have our denominators represent seconds, right? Because that's how we measure speed is in feet per second, miles per hour, distance per unit of time, right? That's what speed is. And so we can start plugging in these numbers. So we know that she goes to 29.3 feet, takes her 9.82 seconds. Question is, how long will it take her in 2 minutes? And now you may be tempted to just write 2 here. However, remember, this is 2 minutes, and our proportion is based on the fact that our denominators represent seconds. So we have to actually convert 2 minutes into seconds. Luckily, we know that 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. So 120 seconds is equal to 2 minutes, right? So that's one sort of trick to this problem, is that we need to make sure that our units are the same. So now, 120 seconds, now I'm in business, right? I can put this down, 120. Okay. Let's call your attention now to this word, approximately. Approximately does not mean exactly, right? These numbers are ugly. Yeah, you could cross multiply, but gosh, what a mess it would be, right? You would certainly need a calculator. There's no sort of mental math that you're going to be able to do in this situation. Okay, so approximately means 29.3 feet. It's really like 30 feet, right? That's close enough, right? 9.82 seconds. It's about 10 seconds. Okay, and now we can look and see that our proportion here is so much nicer, right? And we can do that because of this word approximately. Now here you can cross multiply, of course you can, or I call your attention that 10, how do I get from 10 to 120? I multiply by 12, right? 120 is 12 times as big, so this number is going to be 12 times as big of 30, and this leads us to our answer, which is x equals 360. So the answer is she walks about 360 feet, right? We can go like this. It's about 360 feet she walks in 2 minutes. It's not exactly, right? Equal sign, this means precisely, exactly, but it is approximately, right? And so we take the equal sign and we sort of do a little squiggle, right? This is the sign that means approximately, okay? And this is how we use estimation in proportional word problems.